Diamonds are the girls' best friends, and we are here at the Craft Buddy with the diamonds art. And this is Dan. It's so nice to have you here at the Spielwarenmesse. All good so far?
Yeah, it's been an amazing show so far. We've got to meet all our distributors from all over the world, and yeah, it's been a lot of fun as well. It's always my favourite show, this one.
Oh, that's really nice to hear that. So is it your first time here at the Spielwarenmesse?
No, we've been here 5 times now. So we did 2 years before COVID, and then we've done 3 years afterwards now.
And I think the booth is much bigger now than the years before.
Yes, we've always been in Hall 4, but we used to have a stand in the next aisle, a bit further up, much smaller, not specially built or anything. But yeah, as the years have gone by, we've gotten bigger and bigger. We've been able to grow the stand more and more.
So since when you got this company, Dan?
So the company started in 2010, just as an eBay seller business in the UK. And then as we grew, actually our first major customer was QVC Germany in 2014. And that's when we started to grow and become more of a wholesale business. And then we started to develop our own brands like Crystal Art that you can see behind us.
It is really nice. We have to check the products for sure. But let me know, what about the COVID thing? I think you got it in the right way. Right moment.
Yeah, there was a lot of demand during COVID because everyone was stuck inside, and our product is something that you can do and keep the kids and keep the adults as well occupied and not just in front of a screen all day. So we had huge demand for our arts and crafts product during that time, and we were at Spielwarenmesse at the right time. So we met people like Muller here just before everything locked down, and we also met Disney just before COVID. So we were able to launch our first Disney range during the middle of COVID. So yeah, we were in the right place at the right time.
The right place at the right time. And who is this little friend right here?
This is our new pin badge range, and this is Lotso. Definitely my favourite out of the 15 Disney ones that we're doing.
He looks a bit cute like you.
Oh, thank you.
So thank you so much. So here are some products you can show me and talk about.
Yeah, so these are our Crystal Art Buddies. This is our best category. And it's a little figurine that you put the crystals on yourself. And it takes 15 to 20 minutes to do, maybe up to 40 minutes, depending on who's doing it, if it's an adult or a child doing it. But kind of the perfect age range is around 6 to 12 years old, but also that kid-alt collector as well. So we're up to about 120, 130 different characters now that we sell in this.
That's a lot.
Yeah, obviously Stitch is our number one at the moment. The Stitch license just goes from strength to strength. But Groot, Spider-Man, the Disney princesses, we sell LOL ones as well.
I also saw Harry Potter.
Yeah, Harry Potter we launched at the start of 2023. And yeah, we're actually just about to launch our Harry Potter sticker album as well. So yeah, some really exciting products.
I can't wait. I can't wait to do this. Do you have one for me?
Oh, go on then. Yeah, I can give you one.
Cool. Thank you so much, Dan. We wish you all the best. And we'll see you in here next year for sure, right?
Definitely. We'll be in the same place next year.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Dan.
Thank you.